Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me, chat? Is the sound okay? Okay. All right. How are you all doing, chat? Chat, how are you all doing? Okay, let me just put that like this. Do you have anything here? Okay. How are you all doing, chat? Chat, is the mic good? What the fuck? Let me just put the live link to my Discord community. Let's go. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, then yeah, stick around, and if you like the stream, just subscribe to the channel. Okay, Euro's doing well now. Chat, go and join the Discord server. There is a link in the description. What's up, chat? How y'all doing? How y'all doing, chat? The link is in the description, bro. Check the description of this stream. Damn, bro. Yeah. All right. Let me just put this off. Okay. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream. And yeah, stick around to the full stream. Let's make some money, chat. Chat, I think we are not gonna take this low out here. I wanna see SMT on GU today, right here. As soon as we break this high right here, this swing high, we're gonna skyrocket, bro. And I think EU is gonna take out that low, and maybe gonna tap into that BC right there. Then it's gonna move up. Are you looking for longs, bro? I am bullish on EU and JU. We talked about that yesterday during the stream. For me, it is bullish, bro. It is bullish. I don't know what your analysis, but Yeah, it's bullish for me. But do your analysis, bro. Do not just take any trade based off of my analysis, right? Then you're gonna just blame me if you lose money. Okay, Chad. It's looking nice right now. I think we're gonna move up from here. If you want, you can take a trade right there. Putting your stop loss right below there, and yeah, that's a 1.5 hour trade right there on GU. But it's up to you if you want to take that trade. Let's see if this pan out. We have a fair value gap right here, and we have taken out that sell side liquidity right there, and we are around this high. We are taking support off of that high right there. Why am I using that? uh, just because I'm bullish, bro. And yeah, I'm gonna use those highs as in support. Let's see, chat, if this go well. We'll see how this news gonna work. Yeah, let's talk about the news. We have like one at 8:15 a.m. Let me just put the mark here. Okay, we have a news at 8:15 a.m. for DXY. That's the ADP non-farm employment change. I think we're gonna see DXY go bearish today during that when the news hit. And also we have unemployment claims. That's also looking bearish for me. If you check the previous news, you will see most of the time unemployment claims were bearish for DXY. Yeah, bro, I'm talking about the news, bro. Then we have at 10 a.m. ISM service PMI news, and it's also gonna be bearish in my point of view. Look at the previous news. Uh, what month is it? Okay, September. Let me just check the September news. Yeah, I think we kind of probably gonna take out that high, then just wait before the news. If I get this trade right here, then I'll probably wait and look for setups after the news. The 10 a.m. news is risky for me. I can't exactly tell you what's gonna happen during that news, but yeah, I'm pretty confident about the 8:30 and the 8:15 a.m. news. I have two news at like there. Yep. Let's see how this goes, chat. Let's just wait and see. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna just yeah go sideline after this trade. But let's wait and see. Then other gonna. Bro, do not follow me, bro. Do your analysis, bro. Do not just follow me. I'm telling you that one more time, bro. If you see me take a trade, I have my analysis done uh, more than you saw the chart, bro. I've done my analysis like uh, 4 to 5 times before even I take a setup. If you want to take a trade, just yeah, the risk is up to you, bro. You can't blame me, bro. Tell us short-term high, how to trade news. Tell us. Bro, the best way to trade news is to be a swing trader. That's the simple answer. Uh, This may be gonna piss you off, but that's the truth, bro. If you have a like a bigger stop loss and uh, in the correct direction of the market, then you're not gonna be stopped out with a high impact news, bro. That's the reality. If I was a short term trader, like I went long right here, and there's a news at this time, okay, and I put my stop loss right below this low. So when the news hit, I'm gonna be stopped out, bro. But if I'm a swing trader, suppose I went long by, but my stop loss are right down there. So when the news comes out, I'm not gonna be afraid of the news, bro. So yeah, avoid news trading if you are not sure about the bias, and yeah, if you are not like at least 5 or 15 minute time frame trader, like a intraday trader. Are you swing trader too? But most of the time I am a swing trader. Like I try to do one shot, one kill trade setups, and yeah, sometimes I do like 5 or 15 minute time frame trade. That's it. Not short experience. I don't have much experience yet. Bro, then you should spend most of your time watching the charts, bro. Theory is not gonna help until you use that into the charts. Unless you spend enough time with the market, then yeah, you're not gonna learn it, bro. There's no use of reading books if you don't apply those things in your real life, or you do those things actually. And yeah, if you want to be profitable, like pick one strategy, then like tape it like 3 to 4 months, journal every day, make a drive folder, uh, and then upload all those journal like a screenshot, and you put your lipstick on there on the chart, then upload those in your Google Drive folder. And then when you're experienced enough to see those things happening over and over, then go with trade paper trading account, right? Then paper trade for like 3 months at least, until you're not consistent about the strategy and you're not profitable in the demo. Then when you feel like you want to trade live accounts or prop accounts, then yeah, you can go, but you at least need to spend like 3 to 6 months trading paper demo accounts, and also journal every day, bro. Do you trade crypto, bro? Bro, no, I am not a crypto trader, bro. But my trading journey started with crypto, bro. That's a funny story. I like, I think it was 2020, yeah, 2020, when I like gambled some money on crypto, and yeah, I owned some money, bro. When I took the trade on crypto, I got those money out of my account, and yeah, I spent like 90% of the money. Then rest of the 10% was in my account, and yeah, I blew them off, bro. I lost them all in my uh, later in the while trading crypto. But yeah, after that, I started to get into trading, like try to figure out what this thing is and how can one possibly make some money with this. Yeah, from then, yeah, it all started from there, bro. What time is best to trade New York session? Bro, I'm not a macro trader, but if you want to trade New York session, as soon as the 7 a.m. The time hits 7 a.m., just go into your chart, look for some OTE setup or fair value gap, figure out the directions the market moving, and yeah, then take the trade, bro. That's the easiest thing, bro. Look, just look at this 7 a.m. hits, price just dropped and took out that low right there. So yeah, as soon as the kill zone starts, go into your charts and look for setups. If you don't see anything, just close your desktop, and yeah, maybe later you find you're gonna see some setup. Chad, what do you think, Chad? Are we gonna take this high out? What do you think? Are you gonna take this high out there? Let me look at euro. Bro, I feel like euro probably gonna take a short retracement right there and then fall and take the low out, this low right there, and then it will maybe move higher from there. What do you think, chat? Okay, how much are we up right now in this trade? Okay, we're almost up like 12 pips on this spread, chat. If I entered on this right here, then it would have been like 15 pips already. But whatever, bro. It is what it is. Let's just observe the price, and yeah, let's see if we can hit this trade. There's almost 3.5 minutes left for the news, chat. Damn, bro. I'll maybe just uh, manage my risk a little bit on this trade. Yeah, I'll just trail the stop loss a bit higher, I guess. Yeah. Okay, we are moving, chat. We're almost up like 1 hour on this trade. I think before the news, we're gonna hit that high, bro. Chat, give me a moment, chat. Yeah, let me just check on it. Yeah, bro, we should take up that high. Even if the news hits, if we go down, we're probably gonna take that high out, then go down. That's what I think gonna happen today. But I feel like the news are bearish for the XY. Are you trading prop firms or personal account? This trade is on my prop account, bro. I took this trade on the prop account. And yeah, I also have a personal account. It's not that uh, big, but yeah, it's enough for me. And I'll probably maybe put some more in my personal account this year. Try give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you're new here, just press the subscribe button, bro. What are you even doing? Chat, go and join the Discord community. I'm soon gonna arrange one more giveaway for the community members. We already gave away like 2 accounts from Atlas Funded to 10K accounts to two of my community members. So yeah, go and join the Discord server. Chat, 30 seconds left for the news, chat. Chat, bro, I'm trading with Atlas and Phenotyp Funding right now. And I also have an account with FTMO, I guess. Yeah, I also have a small like how much was it? Yeah, I think it's the 10K account on FTM. Bro. Just take that high out. Come on, bro. Come on. Let's hit some W. Are you gonna take that high out? Bro, what the fuck? Like, we were almost about to hit that high, bro. What the fuck? I'll probably just take some partials on this trade. And we have another news at what time? After 15 minutes, we have another news. Have we taken out that high right there? Yup, we have taken out that high. Yeah, chat, we have taken out that high right there. But I wanna see this high right here to be taken, bro. Maybe market is giving us another opportunity, bro. What's you were doing? Okay, you seems okay. Damn, what the fuck? Can you flower right from there? Do a giveaway for as well for us as well, your YouTube fans. Bro, I did the giveaway for my YouTube subscriber, bro. Those who subscribe to my channel are also uh, the members in the community, bro. You that Discord server is free to join, bro. You can just join the Discord community. Yeah, we all chat there together, and I post my trades also there. Morning, Tahir. Good morning, bro. Are you in a trade, bro? I am in this trade right now. Okay. Bro, we haven't hit that target yet. So yeah, let's just wait for the trade to reach the target. Then I'll probably break down the trade. Just wait. Let's see if we can get this or yeah. Maybe I'm gonna take something off if we push a bit more, like 30% off of the trade and move the stop loss to break even. That's it. I'm not gonna hold into this trade because we have a news at 8:30 also. But I told you guys to for today's news we are very bearish of on DXY, bro. And yeah, we already see some bearish movement on DXY. Yeah, chat. I think we are bearish on DXY today. Also for those news, are you going to do ICT content? Are you going to do ICT content? Like what, bro? Are you talking about the motivational stuff or some strategy breakdown or trade breakdown videos? What do you mean by that, bro? Your videos before? Yeah, I'll probably upload a video maybe tomorrow, bro. Bro, I do all my stuff by myself, bro. So yeah, I give me just some more time, bro. It takes it takes so much time to make one video. Uh, you guys probably don't even understand how much time it take me to uh, make one specific motivational videos. I already like listen to all of his X spaces. So there's like maybe 5 to 10 are left to make the motivational content. The previous one, the 40 minutes one, took me like, I think just the audio file, to extract the audio file, it took me like 4 hours, bro. I listened to that space non-stop like 4 hours. Then I cut the most important parts from there, and yeah, uh, then I did the editing. The editing is simple, but most of the time goes to extract those clips, bro, audio clips. That's the hard part, bro. I can imagine it's the labor stuff. Hire me for video editing, graphic designing. I have a skill in it. I also have a certificate in digital and social media marketing. Bro, not to be arrogant, but you know what? I did all that stuff, bro. I know graphic designing, I know video editing. I even have my own clothing brand. Like I design clothings. Also, I'm a trader, then I'm a content creator, and now I'm doing live streams, bro. I did everything in my life. Whatever I felt like doing, I did it, bro. And yeah, I'll probably hire some people, but not now. I think it's not necessary for me now. It's just one channel, and I can manage that by myself. Thanks, brother. Chat, I'll just see how price reacts from there. I think it's gonna go take out that low. Let me just see one thing. Yeah, bro, damn. Okay, tapped into that rejection block right there. What do we see? The stop loss should be there. Chat, I think we're gonna go down and take that low one more time. This low right there, maybe within week, but we should not close below that low. I don't want to see a close below that low, but I'm okay if we see a week. If we see a wick, then I'm sure it's gonna move higher. Why I'm saying that, I can't exactly tell you that, but yeah, that's my theory on this spread. But yeah, we are still seeing some reactions off of that rejection block on the 15-minute chart. Let's see if this fair value gap can hold price. Bro, you from India? No, bro, I'm not from India, bro. My accent is bad right now. I'm working on it, but yeah, I'm not from India, bro. I've like said it like 1,000 times right now, and I'm brown, and my accent sucks. I know, bro. Give me some times, and these are like totally new experience for me. Doing live stream with you, all of you. These are new things in my life, bro. So let me just add up to the situations a bit more. Just give me some time. It doesn't matter where are you from, bro. Not everyone understand that, bro. I'm here to, like, if you don't feel like this stream are helpful for you, just don't watch them, bro. I've been putting all this motivational stuff, like from it almost been over 2 years. I think I've been putting all those motivational stuff, And yeah, I blew up like the last year on YouTube. And after that, also at the same time, I was like uh, trading, and I was working on my strategy, spending hours and hours watching those charts. And when I became profitable, like then I moved to a new house alone, just to make these videos, do live streams, interact with you a bit more, and yeah, chase my dream. And yeah, that's all I can say, just bro. When will you be doing give it, bro? Please tell me, bro. Soon, bro. I'll just notify you guys in the Discord community as soon as I get a chance. I'll just post them in the Discord server, bro. Yeah, bro. I love to make content, bro. This is not my first channel. I had like I'm not gonna tell you, but I had a sketch, comedy sketch channel in my own language, my mother language, when I was 18 years old. Yeah, I was 18 years old and I did my first YouTube video. I have that channel still at this moment. I with my bunch of friends while I was in college. I was like 18 years old. I started doing YouTube. Then when the COVID hit, we stopped doing those things. Yeah, it didn't even work out for me that time. After that, during COVID, I started a gaming YouTube channel, bro. It I blew up with one video there, and I think I had like 4,000 subscribers that time on that channel. And the funny part is, maybe it's funny to hear, but it was devastating for me. Like I bought a new phone to do those gaming content, and the phone like just died within the first 3 months, bro. Then I just sold that YouTube channel to my friends. After that, I did not even do like anything at all. I did some jobs uh, like for 2 years, and after that, when I got into trading, I started posting my journey with some short videos. If you are an old subscriber of mine, you will know. I used to put some short video with my uh, trade execution in my channel. And after that, I started posting motivational stuff from ICT's Twitter spaces. And now I'm here, bro. I'm doing these all thing almost like 7 years right now, making content. But this type of stuff is really new for me. And yeah, I started very bad, bro. But I'm working on it, bro. I'll improve it for sure. Hi, Robert. What's good, bro? How long have you been profitable with prop firms? Bro, I started trading prop firms like 3 or 4 months ago, I think, when I moved to a new city in my country. That's the time when I started trading prop accounts. You know what? I'm a very patient guy. Like, I would rather wait for uh, 2 to 3 days to take a trade rather than just put some money into trading and buy some prop accounts and trade them. I'm not going to do that unless I'm profitable enough to take live trade. I'm not going to take any challenge. And you will not believe, I did like over 1 year demo trading on TradingView, like paper traded like 1 year. Right? After that, I got into prop trading. Bro, why the fuck GU is just stalling time there. I think that 8:30 news we're gonna see this low being swept. This low gonna be swept, and we're gonna move forward. I mean upward. Yeah. Have we taken out the low? Okay, the 8:30 bell. Let's see what's gonna happen. Bro, we are respecting that rejection block on the 15-minute chart, by the way. You see that rejection block? What's you doing, bro? Alright, do we have anything there? With this order block? Yep, we gonna swap that low. I'll probably cut the trade if we don't see any reaction from there after sweeping that low. Should I start with demo? You should start with learning first. If you are totally a beginner in trading, then first 6 months just learn something from uh, someone. If it's retail trading concept, just stick with one person, bro. Do not just like doom scroll every teachers on YouTube. Just pick one teacher or mentor, learn from him. Yeah, then after that, do like tape reading on your charts. Uh, Screen capture your trades, not trades. Screen capture every kill zones, like when you set up forms, and then upload them into a Google Drive folder. That's what I did. I have like, let me show you. Can I show you that? Okay, I think I can show you that. Wait, I have like 18 or 19 weeks, I guess, of journaling data in my Drive folder, and that's for my student. No, bro, it's like 20 weeks. Okay, let me just show you. I kept those things for my students. Can I show you that? Yep. Can you guys see? You guys see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like 20 week I did journaling. And every folder have like 4 to 5 more folder into them. And those folder contains my everyday setup. That's how I did it, bro. See that? So yeah, let me just go back. So do that, bro. If you do that, your trading gonna improve drastically, bro. What the fuck? Mhm. Okay, the news. We have what? Our last news at 10 a.m., bro. Yep. Okay, Chad, we are about to sweep that low. Damn, DXY is moving higher right now. I'll probably take this loss and be sidelined for the day. But I'm still bullish on GU and EU, bro. As long as price is up to certain levels, I'm bullish. Should I write down my analysis and view? Wait, clarify me, please. How do I journal? Bro, like, um, go to your chart, like London kill zone and New York kill zone, right? London session and New York session. If you are trading both of these sessions, what do you see within those sessions? Draw them in your charts. Put some text like what you see, what time you set up from, like all those things, and then take a screenshot and put them in your uh, drive folder, and do that until you see something similar every time during those sessions. That's gonna help you a lot, bro. Trust me. Nobody tells you that, but that's what it is, bro. Nobody said uh, like everyone just tell us to journal in a notebook, right? But if you do what I just said, like screen capture the London sessions and the New York session each day, uh, and just put them in a date-wise folder in your Google Drive and review them in time. During Saturday and Sunday, you can review all those screenshots, what you saw similar every time during those sessions. You're gonna see it, bro. Something's gonna click in your head. Like, what was the same thing that was happening over and over during those sessions? Okay, we tapped into that order block one more time. Let's just see if we can get a sweep below this low. Let me just move this aside. If I don't see a reaction off of here, then I'll probably close the trade chat. I'm not gonna hold and take a bigger stop on this. Yeah, but I should have taken something off of when price hit that high right there. Should have put some limit order there. But I kind of feel like it should go up, bro. Right there. We can see a sweep right here, then it should go up. Let me just see if we can form a swing low there. Let's do things the right way. How long did it take you to go through that emotional learning curve, losing accounts, over trading, taking revenge trades, and what was it that made you finally say, enough, let's do things the right way? Bro, it's like, uh, how can I explain that? Like, I used to see every fair value gap as a setup, bro. When I started trading ICT, what I used to do, like, I used to use order blocks, then I used to use fair value gaps, then I used to use OTE, I used to use breaker also. I used to do all those things, like use every setup ICT had. I've gone through like all of his videos, but I was not profitable that time. I didn't even found out my, like, what was my strategy, or what am I gonna look for when I go in front of the charts. But after I think I started listening to ICT spaces, X spaces. Uh, in one of them, one of the space, he said like, do this journaling thing, right? And I used to do, and I have a notebook. I showed it yesterday. I think yesterday I showed it to the stream. I have a notebook where I have all the strategies I learned from ICT. Even after that, I was not able to see anything in the chart. Trust me, bro. But when I did that journaling thing, I found out my strategy, what I'm gonna look for when I go in front of the chart, and how am I gonna trade those pairs. So I've found my strategy. Then was the psychology part. Like, I demo traded like over 6 months, almost close to 1 year. But I think first 3 months I traded like non-stop. Uh, you just mentioned it, like over trading, aggressive trading, everything. I did everything with the demo trading account. But after that, I was something just clicked to my head, like, if I do this uh, for my whole life, then I'm not going to be profitable, bro. I have to control my emotions. And I was at a situation in my life where I need to figure out this thing, that there's something different in everyone's life. Like, I wanted to be a financially independent, bro. That was my dream. I wanna buy my parents everything they want. I want to make them happy. I want to make my dreams happen, bro. So when I thought about it to myself, I said, enough. Let's just take one trade during one session and just close the charts. Literally, I did that, bro. I took one trade during the London session, put my stop loss, put my take profit limit order, and I just closed my charts. Trust me, bro. Word to my mother, bro. That's what I did, bro. I took a trade, closed the uh, dex desktop. Then I returned to open my computer like 2 or 3 hours after the setup I put, and then I used to see if the setup went to my target or I get stopped out. If I get stopped out, I'll try to figure out what I did wrong. That way, I become more consistent with my strategy and got more control over my emotions, bro. Just take your trade. If you feel like you're gonna overtrade, just close the fucking desktop, bro. If you're not in front of your desktop, and how you're supposed to trade, bro? That's at least that's what you should do. Just uh, keep your hands off of the keyboard, bro. Do something else. That's it, bro. It's that easy. Just do not sit in front of your laptop or computer all the time. Take your trade, just go do something else. That's it, bro. Finally, face to the name. Yeah, bro. Have you gotten any payouts from prop firms? Yes, I did. If I didn't had any payout, how am I supposed to live alone, bro? And this is the only thing I do. But yeah, just give it time, bro. When I started trading, I thought that within a year I'm gonna be profitable. Not even a year, bro. I thought like when I let me share a funny story with you. I started learning ICT. Uh, I think it was 2020, right? After learning for I think 2 or 3 weeks, his 2020 mentorship videos, the fair value gap method, right? During 7:30. I found that very useful in the charts. I saw every time price during that time price hits a fair value gap, it moves higher or lower, right? So what I did, I took some money from a friend's as a loan, and I put them into a crypto account. I traded them, and I just lost them all, bro. And I had to pay my friend that he's not like my friend, but he's more like a guy who give loans to people, right? So I had to pay him like 3% commissions each month, bro, for I think 5 months straight, bro. So I was fucked, bro. When I thought after first I started learning, I said I'm seeing this fair value gaps price is moving from those fair value gaps. I should trade now. I'm gonna make so much more money, and I got cooked, bro. After that, I never touched crypto, bro. I stick to forex trading. Yeah, I also did indices, and from then now it's almost 4 years I'm trading. So yeah, that's it. Do not just impulsively go into trading, bro. Take your time, give it time, bro. Like I'm an engineering student. I'm a civil engineering student. I did my engineering for I think 4 years, right? So how can you uh, expect trading to be so easy that you're gonna make some money within the first year or two? Give it time, bro. Maybe it's gonna sometime for some people it's easy. Like some people have really good control over their emotion and psychology, so that's easy for them sometimes. But for most of the people, it's not gonna be easy. It's gonna take you at least 2 to 3 years, maybe more, bro. Just give it time. And but do something else with trading for the money you're gonna put into trading, bro. like do something part-time shit to manage all the expenses. Don't just put your all attention to trading and not do anything else. That's gonna screw you up, bro. My 9 to 5 is me. Have you? My 9 to 5 is me working all day on laptop. Bro, I also did a 9 to 5. It's not 9 to 5, it's 9 to 9, bro. I used to do a job like 12 hour a day, bro. Even on Fridays, I used to the my boss used to call me that come on, we have a stuff to do today, or you have to drop me to the airport. I'm going somewhere. So I did that too, bro. Just take your time. God has everything planned out for you. Just trust God, and you'll see that if you give your everything to anything you want to in your life, you're gonna have it, bro. That's the real thing. You have to be consistent with that thing, and yeah, just do that thing unless as long as you don't make it happen, bro. Don't give up, bro. Do your 9 to 5 job. If you are an if you have a 9 to 5 job, be a swing trader, bro, or just like me. Take your trade during the London session. Just close the decks. Do something else, bro. Do your 9 to 5 job, and when you return home, check the trade. That's it. 2 p.m. at night, I used to do my journaling, bro. When I was doing that 12-hour job, I used to journal those trades uh, at 2 p.m. And also, I did my YouTube contents at that time. So just imagine how much work I have put into this, bro. Some people gonna say I'm bluffing right now. If you have seen me in real life, you would have known, bro. All my friends know what I do, and they have seen me do this stuff over and over and over, bro. I never gave up, bro, on this shit. Bro, if your work involves you being on the laptop every day, then you have a great opportunity, bro. But just don't don't just open your chat like this and spend all the time doing your work. As long as you don't have a like a income source, income stream, as long as you're not getting payouts from prop firms or have your own accounts in trading, just do a part-time job, or maybe if you can, or in your situation, just do a job and trade until you like make some money off of trading every month, and then when you have like enough money to be independent, like trade full time, just quit your job, bro. That's what I did, bro. I quit my job like 5 months ago. I quit my last job, bro. Damn, bro. I'm damn serious, bro. I just quit my job 5 months ago. That 12 hours, 12-hour jobs, bro. That job fucked me up, bro. I just waited for my payouts. Like, I just waited and prayed to God. When am I gonna get some money to be independent so that I can move to a new city and do my things? Why don't you trade Nasdaq? Bro, not gonna lie, I did all my analysis. I spent all my times on Forex, bro. That's the real truth. But let me just tell you one secret. What I use is very simple, bro. Very simple. And I only use inversion fair value gaps. Now you're saying me use fair value gaps, right? But it's for you guys. I use only inversion fair value gaps. Then I have two other things, and I have one technique to identify the bias. That are the four things I use uh, for my trades, right? So that Same thing also happens for futures or indices, but not for crypto, bro. As long as you have a correlated pair, my strategy gonna work, bro. That's I can guarantee you, bro. I have, let me just show you. I have NAS and S&P right here. And yesterday we talked about how price is gonna gravitate, right? Okay, NAS has taken out those highs. Let's do some analysis on NAS. Why don't you only inversion pair value gaps? Yeah, bro, only inversion pair value gaps. But there's a thing. You have to know which one you should use. There are so many inversion pair value gaps, bro. Nobody's gonna tell you. I don't know whether anyone knows that, but there's something uh, to inversion fair value gaps. Why those are respected every time? But like I have those 20 weeks of journaling data. If someone uh, only my students gonna see like what I have in those journals. I just showed you that those 20 weeks of data, I have that strategy there. For 20 weeks straight, you will see those PDA that PDAs, which inversion fair value gap exactly was respected every time, and which strategy I used. Okay, we have taken out this high on SMP, NAS, let's see NAS. Okay, NAS also have taken out that high right there. Do we have anything on SMP as taken out that high? Bro, my action camera is overheated, bro. What the fuck? It's getting overheated, bro. Time-based inversion fair value gap are most probable. Let me tell you one thing, bro. If time-based inversion fair value gaps work for you, it's okay. I'm not gonna say anything bad to it if it does work for you. But uh, there's a specific thing that make one inversion fair value gap strong, bro. If you can figure that out, you will see. I'm not gonna tell you that exact thing. S&P NAS. Bro, I feel like NAS gonna move lower today. NAS probably gonna move lower today. Maybe take out that Asian session low right there. If we could form SMT right around there, I think we already have some SMTs there. But these are the probable target if we go lower for NAS. Do we have anything? Yep. Yeah, bro, I think NAS gonna go lower. I think we might take another pullback right around here, then go lower. Or we could just go lower from there. Yeah, chat. Okay, let's go back to our euro trade. Was it on euro or GU? Chat, just say something. Did I not say euro is gonna tap into that fair value gap? What did I say, chat? Did I not say euro is gonna take that low and tap into that fair value gap? Just tell me that, bro. Now I wanna see it move up. Now I wanna see euro moving. Now it should move, bro. Oh, we have like 1 hour left for the news. Okay, chat, let's see that GU trade. Bro, I might take this trade off. Let me just put the stop loss right here. If I don't see this moving, I'm gonna take this off, bro. This is making me crazy right now. What the fuck? Why is it even not moving, bro? We have taken swept that low right there, as I said. we're gonna sweep that low. And now I wanna see that move higher, bro. What the fuck is going on? That's right there. Okay. Okay, let's just wait and see if we can get a close above that fair value gap there. But I up 12 my stop loss right below that low, bro. I don't want to see price go down one more time. If it goes, yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out. But yeah, I failed to take some partials right around here when price take that high out. I wasn't able to take something off. Yeah, it almost moved like 1.2 hour that time, but now it's taking time to move. So okay, we have 10 a.m. news. Not now. More likely to move at 9 a.m. New 4-hour candle. For EU, wait for the open high close up. Maybe, bro, but I do not use that 4-hour candle strategy. Bro, I'm sweating like crazy, bro. What the fuck? Now I want to see it close above that BC right there. Same thing happened to me on GU. Didn't take partials and it came back to stop loss. Wait, chat, give me a minute, chat. All right. Chat, I think we're moving right now. No, it's not a strategy. I'm just saying it's better to wait for 9 a.m. Maybe, bro, but I don't trade specific time windows like macros or that kind of shit. Everyone has their different model, but yeah, I have my own also. Chat, now we see price moving after sweeping that low, and I talked about that too. I have put on that fan, bro, that shorts. You can wear the joggers. Get naked then. Stay naked, bro. Hey, close the door, bro. Chat, I want to see a close of that BC right there. Let's see if we can use that as an balanced price range right there. I'm using that as an balanced price range. And yeah, if I want, I can get out of this trade right now, chat. If I want to. I'm still in this trade. When price took out that high, I told you guys, right, it's gonna take a sweep that low. And then probably gonna take out that high, right? And I think we're probably gonna see that. Let's see if we hit this trade. You all have to put some W's in the chat. Drake candle on you. What the fuck? Bro, let's just wait and see. Okay, we have another one here. Yeah, right there. We tapped into that lower end of that balanced price range. We have two balanced price range within this price, like right there. And yeah, so this was my last safety net for this trade chat, as you have uh, saw me take this trade. I told you that uh, I want to see a sweep below this low, and yeah, I will watch how price reacts off of that bullish order block right there. And right now, I think we're gonna hit this trade. I might take something off of this trade uh, as soon as we hit like 1 hour, I guess. Yeah. Let me just do one thing. All right, close the door. From my friend came to visit me. Okay, if I see price take out this high, I'm gonna take something off. Just push a bit more, bro. What's Euro doing, bro? Bro, just look at that, bro. What did I say, bro? It already moved like 15 handles from that BC, CB or BC, BC right there, yeah. That BC right there, yeah, and we have taken out that low. I told you guys to watch for that low and that fair value gap. Say it yourself, bro. All right, bro. Thanks, by the way. Thanks for the wish, bro. Now Gio is playing with me, bro. What the fuck? Now Gio is kind of playing with me. Let's check on USD cat. Damn, bro. Like what? Okay. Okay, this buy side has been pushed already, and we tapped into this fair value gap on USD CHF. Oh, bro, how precise is that, bro? That's so precise, bro. What the fuck? What Nas doing? Yeah, Nas is probably gonna go down. Chat, I think Nas gonna take out the London session slow and the Asian session slow. Yeah, there's both low. I think gonna be swept, and maybe after that price gonna move higher. But Geo's now playing with me, bro. If we fail to close above that uh, balanced price range there, I might get cooked on this trade. Why I say that? Because look at this week right there. We tried to go up one time through that balanced price range, but that time we had a low to be swept. But after that, after taking that low right there, now I really want to see price close above that balanced price range. If I don't see that, I'll probably be get caught on this trade. Let me just move this the fuck here. All right. Let me just move this to the right. Chat, we still have 55 minutes left for the news chat. Damn, bro. Chat, give a thumbs up and check out Atlas and Phenotype funding. There's a link in the description, bro. Use next gen ICT code for, yeah. I think Atlas giving 30% off with my coupon, bro. And Phenotype you will get 25% off. Now to watch. Just move this right underneath this low. Okay, that's not looking good. Chat, this right there. Let me just show you. This last candle right there is my safety net for this spread. Right now, that's my safety net. If we don't see some reactions from that opening right there on that candle, yeah, we might get cooked on this spread. Why is it price not even moving? Bro, price should respect that high right there. That black line you see, that's an old high, and now we have like some imbalance right there. We had some imbalance right here also uh, in that level, and we respected that high. Now we have something too, and we are about to move higher, and I'm bullish. So all the narrative price should take some support from there. Damn, bro. What the fuck? Whatever, chat. If I get a loss L in this trade, I'll probably be sidelined for this day. I'm not gonna take any other trade for the day. That's for sure. What the fuck did I saw right now? Bro, USD cat gonna be very bearish, bro. It's gonna be very bearish today. Yeah, I might get cooked on this. Chat, I would rather get stopped out rather than just not sticking to my straight setup, bro. I'm not gonna get uh, out with a break-even trade, bro. I'll take a loss. If I'm wrong, I have to face the consequences, bro. Okay, you might see the low. We have anything on the floor. Everything's looking fine on euro. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get stopped out in this too. And now I think I kind of feel like it's gonna go lower and probably take out that low. Let me just cut the trade. I think I already got stopped out on this trade. Chat, now I have two things in my mind uh, in this trade right there. Just I think I'm gonna get stopped out, that's for sure. But if we don't go below that low before the news, right below this low, we probably, when the news hit, we're probably gonna go down and take that low out and move higher. That's the first scenario I'm looking at. And if we move right now and probably take out these highs, and when the news hit, then we're probably gonna take out that low and move higher. That those are the scenarios I'm looking at right now. At least you're sticking with your model, bro. Bro, that's the psychological part, bro. If I don't even stick to my strategy, what type of trader I am, bro, I might take a L, bro, rather than just getting out of the trade because it's moving uh, to the opposite directions of my trade. That doesn't mean my analysis sucks. It just means that I probably did something wrong today. I'm gonna figure that out after the stream when I got back to the charts. Yep. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream. I want you all to give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you're new here, just press the subscribe button, bro. Help me reach 20K before this year ends. That's my goal for the year for this channel. Just sub up, bro. Sub up quickly. Okay, we tapped into that down close candle right there. Now I want to see how it reacts from there. That uh, that's gonna decide whether I'm gonna be in this trade or not. Now I want to see a expansion and close above that BC right there, inverse to BC right there. That's what I want to see right now. Okay, give me a moment. I'll be on the mic. Let me just close the mic. Okay, the mic's gonna be fine. How much fib is this trade I'm gonna take? Okay, it's like 8 points. But I managed the trade very well today. At least I can say that in my journal, bro. I managed the trade if I get stopped out in this trade. But now, I kind of think like we're gonna take out that low, then move higher probably. How much did we move on euro? Let's just grab a fib and measure that, bro. Bro, Chad, we cannot take that low out. We should not take that low out when the news hits, because if we are really bullish on euro and GU, we should not see that low being swept. We want to see price stays up within that range, while GU probably gonna take out that low right there, but you should not take up that low and move higher if we are very bullish on EU and GU. If this low gets taken, I'll probably do my analysis again tomorrow. Yep, that's it. What determines your